viewers, Siddesh here from the Ralio Tech. So ever wanted to control a robot using your smartphone? Well, with Ralio Link, you can. This app lets you take full control of your Wi-Fi powered robots. From gamepad style control to voice commands, Ralio Link makes it all super easy. So let's get started. Head over to the Play Store on your Android smartphone and search for Ralio Link. So you will see the Ralio Link app from the Ralio Tech. So click on the app and hit that install button. So once installed, just open it up and you are ready to roll. No complicated sign up, no nonsense, just straight into the action.
This is the home screen, a clean and simple UI. Let's check the settings screen to tweak the settings. Before you start driving your robot like a pro, let's set things up. So in the first section, you can see the drop-down menu over here and you can select the different robot. So let's select the Scout robot and check the control screen for this. You can see the 9-button grid layout. Let's again go back to the settings screen. Now in the next section, you can see the IP address. Think of this as your robot's house number on Wi-Fi. Just like every house has a unique address in a city, your robot has a unique IP address on the network. Next one is the remote port. That's like your robot's front door. It's where it listens for the incoming commands. If the number is wrong, it's like knocking on the wrong door. The last one is the local port. Now think of the local port as your mailbox. Just like mailbox lets you send the letters, this port lets the app send instruction to your robot. Just enter the right numbers and hit the save button. Once you hit the save button, you can go to the control screen and start controlling your robot. Now let's get to the real action. Tap on the control button. So when you install the app and open it for the first time, it will ask you for the permission to record the audio. So this is because of this cool feature of the voice control feature. Okay, so simply click on the allow button. And here you can see 5-button layout to control your robot. To send the voice command to your robot, click and hold the mic button and say your command. Forward, backward, stop. So like this, you can control your robot. If you want to go back to your home screen, you can simply click on the back button. FAQ screen. If you have got questions, we have got answers. Stuck somewhere? Just tap here. So we have the voice control feature to control the robots, and that records the audio. So just to clear things up, we don't collect or track your data. So you can check our privacy policy on this URL. And that's it. With Ralio Link, you can control your robot anytime, anywhere, just over Wi-Fi. If you are interested in cool stuff like this, you can visit our website. You can also subscribe to our YouTube and Instagram channel. We post videos on latest technology and DIY projects. So what are you waiting for? Download Ralio Link, set it up, and start controlling like a boss.